All right, I got this up the stairs. It's really echoey in here because I don't have any furniture yet. Inside this box is my spinning wheel. I got rid of a lot of things before I moved, but my spinning wheel was one that I really wanted to bring with me. I had 2 spinning wheels and I sold one and I kept one. I'm a little bit nervous to see if it made it through the shipping all right. I tried to pack it really carefully, but you just don't know how things go until you open the box. So let's be brave together and see how it fared. I am so relieved that the wheel made it safe and sound. I tried to pack it really carefully, but you just never know. It's a big journey for humans and animals and spinning wheels alike. I bought this Lendrum single treadle wheel secondhand from a weaver who lives in Chicago. She, in turn, got it as a gift from her mentor, who is both a weaver and a spinner. She was new to Chicago, so this wheel has already traveled across many states, and now it has traveled across half of the globe. One of the things that was so exciting about buying this particular wheel was how many bobbins it has. It has 9, including the very, very large one for the jumbo flyer. The other major benefit is one that has already served me enormously in this move, which is that it folds. Most of the bobbins are full of old projects from other people, and it is time to let them go and make space for my own work. To clean all of the bobbins and the wheel itself, I'm using a soft cloth and just a little bit of soap and water. I don't want to drown the wheel, just clean it. Most of what I'm cleaning off here is just debris and dust from old spinning projects that's gunked up with old oil lubricant. I'm not going to get it pristine again. After all, the wheel has lived a full life already, and that's a good thing, not a bad thing. But I do want to do my best to at least clear away the worst of it, so everything is nice and ready for a fresh start. And yes, maybe the wheel is a metaphor. Maybe the wheel is a metaphor. After cleaning, the next step is oiling. Lendrum spinning wheels have a self-contained mechanism in the center of the wheel that doesn't need lubrication, but anywhere else that articulates or turns should be oiled to make sure that the spinning wheel spins smoothly and without wear. I am just using regular old sewing machine oil. This is how I was taught, and I figure it does the job just fine. Plus, if you're a sewer like me, you probably already have sewing machine oil on hand. Ideally, at this point, I would also condition the wood with some beeswax, but I haven't managed to get any wax yet, so the final shine and buff job will have to wait for another day. It's been a few months since I've been able to do any spinning, and I have really, really missed it. It's such a soothing activity with a nice, gentle, repetitive set of motions, and you get to touch soft fluff that still smells a little bit like sheep. It's just relaxing and it feels good, and I'm glad to be able to do it again. So let's close this out and just enjoy the sound of the spinning wheel. I will see you next time, and next time I'll be able to show off a little bit more of my new space and how I've turned it into a workspace. Until then though, be queer and make stuff.